The cos function in C takes the mathematical cosine of a given angle in radians. Cosine is in the math.h header file. Let's hash include math.h. We will also want to print our answer, so hash include stdio.h. Finally, we're working with trig, so we'll want pi, don't we all? Hash define pi equals 3.14159265. Cosine returns a double, so our answer will be double ants equals cosine of pi on 2. Next, we'll print our answer. So, printf, double quotes, %f for doubles, \n, then we'll printf ants. If we run this code, you'll see cosine of pi on 2 equals 0. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.